Hello guys, I'm Carol. Here is our factory Fupower, a professional manufacturer for titanium exhaust, pipes, air charge pipes, turbo pipes, and components. We build some popular parts for powerstrock, diesel carts, racing trucks, motorcycle, ATV, UTV, snowboards, such as titanium muffler and pie carts. Please contact us if need. This is our sample room. This part is our titanium pie cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pie cards: gold, purple, polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and the flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler parts. These here are our other samples: normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips, and here is our stainless steel exhaust system exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.
This is our CNC cutting machine. We use this machine to cut pipes. As you can see here, there is one line to cut the pipe. Although CNC cutting will spend more time than other cutting methods, but it also has a special advantage. The CNC cutting machine will pretend to cut any certain angle of the pipes. As we can see here, this pipe just finished cut by the CNC cutting machine. The pipe place here is very clean. There is no sharp edge.